Hi there, and welcome to this astronomy podcast with me, Dwayne Alexander. In this edition, we look at meteor showers and why they happen. We've all seen a shooting star briefly flashing across the sky, but what are they? The shooting star is basically what's called a meteor. These meteors are floating around in space. When one begins to enter the Earth's atmosphere, they begin to burn up and glow. They do this day and night, but we can only see them at night when the skies are dark. Meteors tend to be small, for example, not much bigger than a few grains of sand, and burn up completely before hitting the ground or coming close to the ground. Some, however, do make it to the ground, and when they reach the ground, they are called meteorites. They are often found in the polar regions lying on the top of ice or snow. This is because they are easy to find here. They do fall elsewhere, but in oceans they sink, and in vegetation often covers them up, making them almost impossible to find in these areas. Meteorites can give us important information about the solar system and can be traced back to where they came from. It's like taking a spacecraft out there without actually leaving the Earth. During the year, we get what's called meteor storms. This is where shooting stars you see in the sky increase. This is caused by dust lanes in space left by passing comets. Comets have elliptical orbits, meaning they cross the rounded-shaped orbit of the Earth. As the Earth passes through a dust lane, the dust, that's the material from the comet that's left in its orbit, begins to enter the Earth's atmosphere. As it does so, they begin to burn up and glow. They also appear to come from one point in the sky, called a radiance. Normally, meteor showers happen at certain times of the year and from certain parts of the sky, and are given names. For example, in August we have the Perseids, from the constellation of Perseus. These meteor showers happen all the time. Some are faint, and some have low numbers. Others can be quite bright, with lots of meteors. The latter ones tend to be the most well known. Some of the more well known follow. During late April we have the Leonids, which is linked to Comet Thatcher. During mid-August we have the Perseids, with a radiant close to Perseus. The object associated with this meteor storm is Comet Swift-Tuttle. In late October we have the Orionids, with a radiant close to the constellation of Orion, and are associated with Comet Halley. In mid-November we have two showers. These are the Leonids, from the constellation of Leo, the Lion, and associated with Comet Tempel-Tuttle. The other is the Taurids, and are linked to Comet Echo. In mid-December we also have the Geminids, from near the constellation of Gemini. Earth is not the only planet with a meteor shower. Any planet with an atmosphere can also have meteor showers. For example, Mars is well known to have meteor showers. For more information on this, listen out for other podcasts on events in the night sky, and check my website, www.bjmysterious.5u.com/astronomy. Thanks for listening, and clear skies.